straight away off the mark. Masatali with a couple runs. We'll look for swing. Cut away. Beautifully played in that point region. A short delivery with pace on. And hammered for 4.
The swing was definitely there, but the length was not there. Too wide and short. Basat Ali, superb timing there. Excellent balance. Finds the gap for 4 runs.
Good positive body language. There is that intent to score.
That's the delivery he would want to bowl. Beautiful delivery, squared the batter up completely. Excellent seam position, the length was right, the line was right. And that's why he's smiling.
Confident appeal behind the stumps. Unmoved the umpire.
Make a mistake. So all his deliveries have been quite full. And the change of pace has been really good. 131, 135, 139.
Showed up a good length on that occasion. Basat Ali was ready for it, and he'll get 4.
Whether it's on the offside or the leg side, the moment you're bowling short to Basat Ali, he's pouncing on it really quickly. Look at that. The weight transfer was there. He exactly knew where the gap was. Just 3 fielders on the leg side. Timed it well, putting bad balls to the boundary.
Good hand, brilliant stop. And just concedes an additional run, so a couple runs from the last delivery. Treaded that one through the point region.
Just look at that. Leaned into the shot, full face of the bat. Excellent batting there. Munib Wasif erring on the fuller side this time. The result is same, 4 runs.
Miscued, but just over that fielder in mid-on. It runs away for 4.
1 boundary is not enough. He's going for another one. This time down the ground. It took the toe end of the bat, but still had the legs to clear the inner circle. Another boundary. 9 of the over in 4 deliveries. But they did well at the end, and that also goes for 4. Not really good fielding there.
Wasn't a bad delivery. It was on that good length region, but much more was expected from Isaiah Thorne. Don't want to be conceding runs, especially when you've just scored 113 batting first. Cardinal Sin, no ball called. Free hit on offer. And what you don't want is when you're chasing a small target like 114. Balled him. Again, the angle. No turn on offer. And again, that slow pace just outfoxing the batter. Johan Mane has to depart.
A beautiful delivery from Mohammad Zubair Jr. Just look at that. An arm ball there, comes into the batter, takes the leg stump. Brilliant ball with the new ball for a left arm spinner. This is exactly what the Hyderabad Hunters were looking for. Johan Mane has to walk back for 3. Bahawalpur 33 for 1.
New to the crease because of this wicket.
An excellent arm ball from Mohammad Zubair Jr.
Edged just to the left of the fielder in first slip. Didn't have a lot of time to react.
The spinners have created these opportunities since morning, since today, this evening.
Oh, that's nicely played. Not too much width, but he's got high on the toes. Just open the base. punched it beautifully between the two fielders behind square on the offside. That's not the length you want to be bowling with the seamers here. We've seen from the first innings that any time that the faster bowlers have been slightly off their radar, it's been quite easy to get the runs away. Current rate 7.94, required rate under 5, so in total control at this moment.
Beautiful shot. As one of the best we've seen in the day. All along the carpet. The confidence level.
Indeed, but it's shape into the right-hander. The length is wrong. Look at that. Didn't have to move. Straight to the gap, back-to-back boundaries.
It's high in the air. There's an opportunity. It will take some catching. Oh, almost got there. Uh-oh. What happened there? A boundary. The fielder backing up should have stopped that.
Oh, insult to injury. I don't know how he's let this ball get to the boundary. It's a good bouncer. Got onto him quickly, good height. To force the top edge. It was always going to be difficult running back for the fielder. But his colleague, surely, has gone with one hand, taking his eyes off the ball.
Again, shot a length, and again put away. Basit Ali, he looks good and he means business. Wants to keep everything in control inside the power play.
The length's not right here. That's a short delivery, as opposed to the bouncer that he bowled the ball before, which was deliberate.
You also notice there's no pace on it. He's pulled that in front of the square. Again, a good shot. Some great stroke play over here from Basit Ali. This over has been expensive. Have a look at that. That's the 5th boundary. Bahawalpur Royals are racing away.
Whiff again. He's done well to just get it through the gap. It's been an over that's been full of boundaries. Again, straight away.
Nice back foot punch. There is protection there. So ends with a single. That's a big over. There's 22 of it. Power play done, 59 for 1.